I'm usually not shooting multiple videos about same product, only when it's reverse, only when we have a really super special situation. And here we definitely have it with these two CG6 cameras. And so we have this camera set here side by side, one pointing to the entrance and one pointing to the other side. So I have the perfect overview, and they have been performing absolutely awesome. But the special thing, the reason why I'm making the second video, is the solar panel size. You can see how small this is, and at the beginning I've been super worried about if this panel size would be enough to charge the batteries inside. And so I started a couple of days ago with 75% charge. I didn't pre-charge the cameras, just put them outside and started doing a lot of tests, had them online for much longer than usual, and so the batteries have drained down to around 50% while the weather was really bad. There was no sun. And so I've been worried that the battery would drop even more. But yesterday we had a very sunny day, almost full sun for at least 6 or 7 hours. And so I checked in the evening and the batteries showed 100% for both of these cameras, full 100% charge, from 50% to full 100% in just one single day with about 6 hours of sun here. This is absolutely amazing. I really didn't expect that. And I mean, the batteries have really decent size, so they could last, of course, many weeks or even months, depending on how much traffic we have here in the back. Definitely not much. So this is absolutely amazing. So the solar panel size absolutely sufficient, absolutely no problem. Probably we have very high quality, highly efficient solar panels here. Definitely more than enough for this situation here. So that's what I want to let you know. By the way, if you haven't seen my full video, we can adjust the solar panel angle here nicely up and down, actually even more. I just have the camera a little bit close here, and we can also move it nicely to the side, so I can even optimize it for the evening sun or morning sun if I like here. And I absolutely love the form factor here of this solar panel. Looks much nicer than with a large solar panel. It's much easier to install. I'm also super happy with the camera performance anyway, but I'm not going more into that. Just wanted to cover here the solar panel efficiency. So I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.